Excelsior, a Madrid-based elevator company, was founded in 1923 by Guillermo Fabian Fisher, a German national living in Spain who created the company Guillermo Fabian S.L. With over 90 years of experience, Excelsior is a market leader in the industry. It employs some 260 professionals spread across its accessibility, rehabilitation, repair, maintenance, and new construction offices in Madrid, as well as recently opened offices in New York, which provide a wide range of mobility solutions and wherever accessibility is needed. Excelsior develops and produces its elevator components to a superior level of quality and reliability in compliance with European Directive 95/16/EC, including modules H&E relating to the design, manufacturing, assembly, installation and maintenance of elevators. Located in Toledo and covering an area of over 86,000 square feet. In its modern manufacturing plant, Excelsior has various machines for the processing, drilling and laser cutting of rolled steel of up to 20 mm in thickness, achieving high-quality finishes and complying with ISO 9001-2008. Since its creation, the R&D department has used the latest technology in its permanent quest for innovation. In its 5 test towers, where rigorous quality control tests are conducted, new models of the most versatile, environmentally friendly and efficient elevators are being constantly developed. All elevator safety components are tested on-site to ensure that they meet or exceed the standards to receive the corresponding quality stamp before they leave the manufacturing area. Excelsior manufactures upwards of 1,000 standard or special elevators in addition to 600 hoistway structures annually. In line with its growth in Madrid, Excelsior now has more than 25,000 square feet of commercial office space. Its commitment to high levels of professionalism, safety and quality is evident through the continual training of employees, which is so important within a constantly evolving industry. While Excelsior's employees embrace the company's values, the main aim is to achieve complete customer satisfaction. Its professionals, comprised of both commercial and technical staff that handle thousands of queries each year, rigorously following a personalized monitoring process for each of the projects in progress. The maintenance department and its large fleet of vehicles are available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, guaranteeing a fast, professional and personalized service. Excelsior uses a system that allows office staff to send and receive details of incidents, which helps to anticipate faults and prevent breakdowns, as well as the inconvenience caused by an out-of-service elevator. Its products, aimed at providing for all vertical transport needs, offer comprehensive solutions that are implemented following 3 key principles: ensuring maximum accessibility, blending in with the surroundings, and installing a quality product. Excelsior provides a wide range of lifting systems, elevators for single-family homes, lifting platforms and stairlifts, industrial and large-capacity cargo elevators, elevators with self-supporting structures in existing buildings, hospital, low-load and car elevators, conventional and high-speed residential elevators. After nearly a century of supplying the domestic market, Excelsior now maintains a presence in more than 30 countries on 5 continents. What sets them apart from the competition is the fact that its entire manufacturing process is completed in Spain. The staff in their export department is highly experienced in dealing with the international market. Their continual commercial and technical training ensures that the needs of our worldwide customers are met promptly across the entire range of lifting equipment, from 250 kg to 5,000 kg solutions. Its high-quality manufacturing means that its products are sought after across the globe. The added value that the company provides includes simple and modern online systems for dealers and customers. Delivery timeframes of 4 to 6 weeks. Full details of elevator assembly, including assembly times in manuals. Extensive product packaging to ensure that the product arrives at its destination in excellent condition. After-sales service for self-manufactured components, spares and accessories for all types of elevators. Guarantees for its products of up to 2 years. We invite you to visit Excelsior website, where you can learn more about their products and view details of recent installations. You can also read news and information about the company and the vertical transport market, amongst other news. The safety of our products, quality control procedures, as well as the hard work and knowledge of the people that make up Excelsior, make it the best choice in the vertical transportation market. Grupo Excelsior, lifting your quality of life.